is another day, and today is struggle day, guys. I only have one more birthday left and I'm super happy. So Monday's my last day at work for the year, so I can like sleep and do what I want to do. So today is pretty much, I am getting ready to package and do some Cricut stuff for my winner on the 2-year anniversary for AJournalMood on Instagram. So I usually don't announce stuff like that, so that's why probably a lot of people didn't know there was a giveaway, which is how I like it, because it gets crazy when there's a giveaway. There won't be a giveaway on this channel until I hit the 3K. So I'm at 2.76, so I am not there yet. When it's there will be a nice giveaway just like this. But I went and got a post office today when I got a box, and I'm going to start putting everything together. Not sure if I'm going to show you everything I'm putting in the box, because I still want the winner to be a little surprise. But the Cricut stuff I can show you. Plus I need to dust off my Cricut, because I haven't used my Cricut in a while, guys. A while. But she'll get used today, and I'm going to hopefully don't have to upload, because every time I get on Cricut I forgot my password. And I have to like go through the whole situation with getting it back. Also I'm a day ahead of Vlogmas, because of my internet is too slow to be doing every day. So whenever you see a video, it was recorded the day before. And it's been working good for me, because like I said, my internet is absolutely slow. It takes me like roughly 2.5 hours to upload, and I don't got time for that. But when I'm in New York at my parents', I could do the same day. I've done that last year because I was in New York for like 10 days. It was, every day was fresh, so I was able to upload and have the video go live the same exact day, because the internet at my parents' house is so much faster, way faster. Like what takes me 2.5 hours will take me 5 minutes, even sometimes less than that. I don't know why this area that I live in, I mean, I am in the woods, so that might be a factor, but just know I'm a day ahead every time I post. So right now I have about an hour before today's video go up. I just finally fill out the description. So now I'm like loading up the Cricut. And it's taken a while because I haven't used it in a few months. And let's hope the passport situation is not a situation. So, and I'm having some coffee in the afternoon. Yeah. And I got some rest. I did sleep today, because today was my day off, and I'm off for the next 3 days, and I go for 1. And I'm excited. I'm looking at some of the pictures I attempt to take. I have a photographer, but she also moved. She's now an hour away from me, so when I set up stuff with her, I have to take advantage of having multiple outfits to take pictures, so that I don't have to have her doing all that driving so often. But she told me whenever I'm ready, so I'm probably gonna do next week a shoot day with her, and I can take pictures and I'm hoping to make 2 more, a top and another dress by next week, so I can like take pictures, because I think it looks better when it's professionally done than in a video, because I was looking at the video, it doesn't do it justice. And the pants is not perfect in terms of the front. The dots weren't lined up like I wanted to. I'm picky. I'm looking at all the imperfection, because I'm like, I want it to be, especially pants, I want it to be perfect. And so I know the next time I make it, I'm definitely gonna tackle all those areas that I know I could have done better. But for the most part, I'm still happy about what I did. And but I need better photos of the pants on. I love the length, and the wide leg thing is just, and these are more I don't know why, but it seems like I've been making more stuff that's work appropriate. And I feel like that's where I want to go with it. Because I find that some of the, I don't have a lot of work tailored pants and stuff like that, because the kind of jobs that the area where I'm working right now don't I don't do that. But if I was, I wouldn't have that many. I was looking at my closet. I don't have a lot of office attire pants, because my weight has been all over the place, that a lot of my pants either don't fit or too big. So just making simple pants like that works well for me right now, especially pants like that with a white button-up shirt is really nice, and nobody would know I made it. So save some money and also work on my craft, because I'm hoping by next year I will be so much better at cutting, at sewing, and all of that. It is a work in progress. I am far from it. I mean, I love the compliments I've gotten from friends and people who've seen what I made. But for me, I'm not there yet. I feel like I am, I still got like another 30%, 40% of improvement needed in me, so I can feel like, yeah, I got it. That kind of deal. But nevertheless, I'm a big advocate of nurturing your craft. Keep trying, and practice make perfect. That really does still exist. And I feel the more I do this, the more I get comfortable with cutting, because that's my weakness with the sewing part is the easy part. It's more so getting the cut right to fit my body, and make adjustment where needed, because there's parts in the pants that if I'm ambitious enough, I can redo the dots to line them up properly, and because I do have material left over, but I'm just scared of cutting it and making it worse, because not for nothing, the minor flaws is not that bad at all. So yeah, I'm also a perfectionist, guys, so that's the issue. Maybe it's a Libra in me, I don't know. But yeah, guys, so I am going to this Cricut. Alright, it's 90% loaded. So anyway, I'm going to start doing that. Break out the Cricut out, because my cord that I used to attach here is not long enough. And I will show you the pouch that I'm doing and start putting together this box. I also have a paper project I want to start doing as well. That's going to take probably 2 days, because it has to dry and all that stuff. Never done it. Well, no, let me not say that. Never done it this way. I've done it before, but not this way. Yeah, so that's where we're at right now, guys. And then later on tonight, I am going to continue. Now, the reading. I intended on reading Cloud, which is still going to happen. It's going to happen tonight. It's not long at all. But I picked this one up. Shallow Waters. Guys, I don't know why I picked this up, but mermaid, fantasy, African fantasy, kind of. I don't even know what category would you put this in. I think it's fantasy. The mermaid situation. I'm loving this. Now, I feel so far something is just too good to be true, because this was book number 9, and all of them so far I really enjoyed. This one shot the hell out of me so far. It is a mermaid who is believed to be the goddess of the sea, and she fell for an African man who was being taken as a slave, and she followed the ship from where he was captured to America. And when she got off the ship, she morphed into human legs, but she still has the power of when water touches her. and she's trying to save people, but that wasn't really her intention. Intention was to find this man and save him, but she ended up becoming something for the people who believed who she was and had envisioned her. So that's where the African magical realism, but sort of fantasy world, not even fantasy. I would have to look this up because I wouldn't think this is a fantasy, but it gives fantasy element because of the futuristic, not futuristic, but the power of her. It's not real, you know, that kind of deal. Not my genre. So if you feel like I'm wrong, put in a comment if you've read this. But I have, this one's a short one as well. It wasn't that long, but I have probably about 50 something pages, I think. Yeah, left in it. So I'm gonna do that tonight and then get into this one because this one is short. But this one I feel like it's gonna be a little bit more serious because cloud, a dangerous drug. And when I think of cloud, I think of, you know, how we use it in modern terms. So I'm gonna get into this one, and this is what's tonight. And then I want to see, it's asking me to sign in, y'all. I don't remember my sign in. Lord jeez. I don't even remember my ID. God. Yeah, let me let me do this and set up and try to dig up and think. I knew this was gonna happen. Every time I don't use Cricut for a long period of time, I forget my login. So, and then I end up having to create a new one or something like that. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm going to start doing the Cricut, get all my little stuff out. These suckers. And some other stuff that I'm supposed to keep here. And yeah. So guys, I had to do this a few times. I messed up on the first one, so this one is the finish. So this is a pouch. It's similar to the one I have. You can put, you know, all your journaling things in. And now I got to do the sippy cup. So hey guys, I also, Black Friday, didn't do shopping like that. I got the surgery, which I showed you guys yesterday, but I also got these stamps, which was a good buy. They really came out real good. I love them. I also got this bird nest rubber stamp. And you guys have seen this if you follow me on Instagram. What I like yeah. Let's try this again without dropping them. So these are the stamp. Now the ink that came with it is juicy. The ink is juicy. However, I don't think it stamped them properly. So I had issues. So if you saw when I just used them on one of my spread, it didn't come out as great. But overall, I like them. So I just have to use my other ink pad when I use them. So I'll give you a close up. Yeah. All right. So did pick up some pens, and I've used this one, some fountain pens, and I don't have a red fountain pen, so this was just to have. But this is what I love. I love when I go to Paper Source and get these paper that I use a lot as in my art journaling. And I have a lot of different kinds, but guys, look at this foil. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This was such a good find. Love it. And then of course I saw this and I couldn't resist this one. This is, I think it has 20 different, actually it's more than that. But again, I will be cutting these out and using them on my spread. Look at this. Look at them, guys. This is just gorgeous. Paper Source really have a lot of nice paper. You guys seen me haul others before. Whenever I go there, I always end up spending. Let me pull this up a little. So yeah, whenever I go to Paper Source, please believe I'm coming home with some papers. I just love their paper craft. And people just use them as gift wraps, and I'm like, oh no, I need more than that. But this foil one, yeah, I'm gonna be using these soon on my spread. It's just amazing, amazing paperwork. So that's all I have, and then I'm about to take this box up. So these are not a part of it. I need to take this box up. And start do have the winner already. I'm going to, they'll know by tonight. And I'll announce it soon. This person did complete. Didn't post all, but did complete. And there is going to be one more person that I'm going to give a gift to. But the grand prize person will get this box. Yeah, this tape is not the best, but it's gonna have to do for now until I have them. But yep. So they get that journal and some other stuff that I'm not gonna announce because I still want them to be surprised. Probably not gonna, this is not gonna be mailed off till probably Tuesday because there's a project I want to do. I was hoping to do it today, but it's not gonna happen because it needs to dry. So I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Tonight I'm gonna prep the project. Tomorrow I'm gonna start making them. It's more for me, but I'm gonna put a few in here. And yeah, but guys, today is just a chill day, and I'm gonna do my journal spread. My journal mood of the day. I still do it every day, even though I'm not doing a challenge right now. And then I'm going to end this video here. Yeah, it's gonna be some of those days like this where it's just not that eventful. But that's what Vlogmas, you get a mixture of everything. And but this is a craft day. I still made something and I still read early today. But yeah, but thanks for joining, guys, and I will see you in the next. Bye.